What I'm about to tell you goes against every search for the perfect items for your wardrobe. But this will save you money and your style. The classic basic we see recommended everywhere are just way too basic. They give NPC energy, and most examples I see have weird, shapeless and styleless vibes. The basics for you fit your lifestyle and stylistic approach, and yours only. There's no universal recipe to how to style an outfit, how to make everything nice. I mean, there is, but you have to put you there as a variable. There's no universal recipe to finding your style, and especially your base layer that is the foundation of your whole outfit and your whole style at the end of the day, you know? Having great basics for your style really takes a lot of the workout, you know? You don't have to think so much in the morning when getting ready. It all goes like this. Now, let me know which basics you don't like in the comments below, or connect with me through my socials, link in the description. I feel kind of safe saying all this now because minimalism is kind of out, so basics are not seen as black and white anymore, thank God. So here is a few of the pieces that personally I don't own and I probably won't want to have in the foreseeable future. But they are considered essential for any wardrobe. I'm also going to show you what my alternatives are, because I still need to fulfill the purpose that these basics would have, but for my own style. First of all, I don't own a button-down white shirt, and I probably won't own one anytime soon. Instead, my basics are a gray cropped button-down shirt and a blue button-down shirt. Why? Because these ones fit way better. This one is still oversized, but because it's cropped, gives more of dimension, you know, it's not just a box on you. And this one is actually a bit more fitted, and I like the color more than crisp white, which I think contrasts too much with my non-existent contrast. I feel like the classic button-down shirt that everyone recommends is too boxy, and the material is too stiff on my body. The white is too white, and they're never the right length. It's just way too much effort to make it look decent for my style, so why would I bother having one? I just look the opposite of put together in such a shirt, like 99% of the time. I don't own the basic white tee. Same reasoning as the white button-down shirt. I prefer blouses, shirts and t-shirts that have a certain fit at my shoulders, which these recommendations never have. They're for a different body type. I also go more towards shirts and t-shirts that don't have seams at the shoulders, especially, you know. I really enjoy these ones from Zara, and I hope as the trend of cropped t-shirts goes out of style, I will also find them in longer styles. That would be amazing. I don't own a loafer shoe or an Oxford type shoe. You know, those more classic types. I owned a pair of each and I would barely wear them, which is clearly not a basic for my outfits, no. I notice I gravitate more towards ballet flats actually. They fit better my aesthetic and the overall construction of my outfits. I don't own the black or white long sleeve t-shirt basic. That's a long one. I feel like this is purely a layering piece and nothing more, especially in the shapes I find to be recommended online all the time. It gives pajama, it gives lounging set, but not in a cute way. If it's the time of the year for layering, I prefer softer and warmer garments, like the classic intimissimi shirts, you know, with a bit of cashmere. They're pretty warm actually, and I feel they're good also for going out, if you have the right bra on, of course. This one is the inside out, but yeah, you get the idea. And also layering with some more interesting pieces that can become like a basic for you, which for me is actually this one It's a lace shirt. It looks very good under outfits, you know, like it's a nice touch to have. I don't own a pencil skirt. Need I say more? They just look weird. No matter how you try to style them. Not even the office siren trend brought them back. The girls just wore very short skirts, okay? They wore the minis. The length of these skirts is both too short and too long. The fit is uncertain on this office staple. Really unflattering and anti-style. Instead, I just have a stretchy cotton skirt, you know, that's kind of longer. It's giving witchy vibes, and I'm here for it. This next item I see on some lists of basics you should own, but I don't. So I guess it's worth mentioning. Flannels. They're just not in my style, nor suitable for my lifestyle in particular. I would just be laying on my couch with a flannel shirt, and honestly I wouldn't feel very cute. So, the pleated midi skirt. I've seen that in the fashionista sphere for the past decade or so, and I tried to like it, but I don't. I much prefer silky midi skirts actually, as they are more harmonious with my body. They're giving flowy in a way I just find more pleasing to the eye, you know, not so basic. Especially if you're tall like me, it just goes with your proportions way better, because it mimics your natural body without being skin tight or anything like that. I don't own a zip-up hoodie or zip-up shirt, or hoodies in general. Again, not in my lifestyle, I guess. I much prefer to layer with cardigans like the one I'm wearing right now. It can give both classy and casual, so I find them more versatile to style. I don't own the classic shorts. I love short skirts, I love short dresses, you'll see me all the time in those. But I have my bone to pick with shorts. I think that it's hard finding some that fit correctly, first of all, and that I also find cute. But I just hopped on the micro shorts trend because I feel like it's different. Okay, it's different from this. It's way different from this short I'm talking about. It's a different look, a different vibe. They just look ready for a photo shoot. They look so ready for partying. They look so ready to going out with the girls for a cocktail, you know, in a nice place. You know, it looks date night. These shorts just look like, I don't know, I look at them and I find them boring, and I've tried so many times and I've tried so many years to make them nice, but I just don't like them on me. So I don't own the classic ripped tank top either. This one used to be in my outfits, but I guess I decluttered it over the years. It was a natural transition from them, but I got my replacements. I am way more drawn to turtleneck style tank tops in cozy materials or even ribs. I just feel like they flatter my style way more, they feel more like me. I got them in a bunch of colors. I have a pink one as well, and who knows what else is in the wash machine right now that just ended. I just feel like those are more aligned with my true style. But back on the tank tops, you know, like the classic shape, I think I would try them in more flowy materials, in more sheer, more soft materials. I seem to be very drawn to stuff that feels nice on the body and also look good, look like you could pet them and feel like sleep on it. So this was my list of basics I just don't vibe with. No matter how essential some other people think it is, they're not. Honestly guys, it's all for clicks. To seem like they have the recipe of fashion one click away and one ad away probably. The real basics are discovered along the way in your fashion journey. Also, our personal style is always evolving. You know, what's a basic today won't be tomorrow for you, so you will just naturally find you saying sometimes that, oh my god, I wish I had blank, it would put my outfit together. So you kind of already know what you need in your outfits, you know, you don't need someone else to tell you. Of course, you can look at trends and what's in fashion right now. Do you have a different opinion than me on some of these items? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I just want to discuss it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so we can continue these fashion talks together. Bye bye!